I'm tweaking.
But take a look from it from the outside, like it's really pretty.
It is. Let me take a picture.
Nice city.
So the Russian Orthodox Church is of course based from the old Bulgarian Orthodox Church. And so they use a language that's only used in church, which is called Old Church Slovan. And this language is actually closer to Old Bulgarian. And they use a different version of Cyrillic than what Russian is written with. So there's a lot of things there that a person who might speak Russian, read Russian, has been born and raised in the Russian language, they might not get it. They might not be able to read everything there because there's specific letters. My dad is an example of this.
Latvian writers and Latvian poetry.
Guys,
wait. I get you the frame?
Okay.
So guys, now we're gonna head over to the monument. So guys, we're here at the monument. As you can see, we're actually not that far from where we're just at. If you pan over, there's the church. But you know, I'm just very lazy to walk, so I decided to teleport. And I'm still learning how to do it. You know, my friend Vince actually taught me how to do that, but he's really bad at it. I'm way better than him. So.
Okay. And that's the greatest writer of all time, guys.
Let me start recording too.
So a little segment about this tower. This is the National Monument of Freedom in Latvia. I don't know the year where it was built, but it was built in the 20th century. I think a bit before the First World War. Okay, it doesn't matter. But yeah, it was built on donations from the public and all the businesses. Like no government money, no nothing. Was built just purely on
by the
civilian.
people.
Yeah, by the people. Well, during one of the Russian occupations, the Russian government wanted to throw it down, like destroy it. But all the people gathered around and protested and said like, no, this is our shit. And they were like, because they saw how much it meant to us, they were like, okay, they're already occupied by us, we're gonna let them have it, blah, blah, blah. But I feel like that's also a great example of how we managed to keep some kind of national identity even during the occupation, because they let us keep it because they thought, oh, what, it doesn't mean nothing to them, it's just a monument, but it actually means a lot. Like every big festivity, something, there's always a gathering. And the woman over there, the green one, her name is Milda. Milda.
So behind me is the Chocolate Lima Tower, and this used to be a dating spot. Men would wait there with flowers for like a dating spot.
It's a dating spot. In 20th century, it was a dating spot. It's called Lima Clock, and Lima is a chocolate fabric.
So you would never stand there.
Well, I wasn't born in 20th century.
I mean, like you don't go on dates. Right now, we're at the highest point of the city.
Right now, we're at the highest point in the city. Like actually voting all over my phone. Holy shit, I look like a...
You look like a hipster.
He's voting all over.
Hey, this is the guy who's gonna open a matcha store, bro.
Yeah. Food. This is cabbage. This is chicken. This is like some chicken with potatoes on them. And then we're gonna start off with. We're gonna start off with the garlic and the beer. The garlic beer is the best combination ever. You take a sip. That's how it works. You take a sip. Not as good as Belgian beer. And then you get this to drown out the bad Latvian beer. Any more sip of this? Another sip. Actually good. Actually good food. We're now at the square, and this is the city hall. It looks very German, so I think, Alex, your guess would be that it
was built by Germans 100%.
So you're saying that their culture is German?
No, yes, even every Latvian will also tell you that you can look at their It's very influenced by Germans. It was built by Germans.
Influenced.
Not
built.
No,
built by us.
But they built this.
Shaped.
Yes, shaped. Okay, that's a better word. Very much shaped by Germans, and also you have to remember that the upper class were all Germans.
Rap. We make up a rap video now.
5 gramus palendo, ką tu man pasakysi, jam mergytės vedė saugos, ar tu vis dar atsakysi, klasė bybis didelis, mergytė pamatysi, jei su manim nori šansų, reikia knytės įsigyti. Tavo draugas Fembojus, jam reikia pakeisti lytį, ir kai merga mano pyksta, reiškia man laikas išnykti. Baby girl nepareik, net reikia blėt supykti, nes kiek šaibo mano sąskaitą, to net nereikia taupyti.
And with the flag.
Oh my god, dude, imagine.
Remember the camera from Italy?
Oh my god, Perugia vlog number 2.
Perugia vlog, where's Walt? Where's Napo?
Where's Walt, dude?
Where's Napo crashing out? They were always fighting. So we didn't find the place that was on the wallet, but I found this guy.
Where's your coffee?
You play street ball. Can you take a picture? We're playing, yes.
That's crazy.
Where did you keep this?
Right here. I got my camera and another one.
This man has a whole
Alex, what you got over
roll
there?
of toilet paper.
Hey, hello guys, my name is Kristaps and I do vlogging for a living. Currently, I'm unemployed, broke.
So Alex, how many beers you drinking?
Why she look already done? The cool American accent.
Crazy. Thank you. So me and Big Guy and the guys in.
Why'd you look back off? You said me and Big Guy Chris was like, what? Buddy.
So we are going back. We went to a little bar and we said final goodbye to a good friend Lucas.
That's the like that guy.
And I see you guys tomorrow. We go camping. And if I don't film that, we'll be somewhere else. We'll probably be in Lithuania, or we'll be filming Yanni, which is like their midsummer, which I will explain somewhere else. So I'm too tired to like think about any consistency that I'll put in this.